Hey, in this video we're going to be attaching a rooftop tent to my BillieBars, and with doing that I have gotten the special rooftop tent adapter which allows us to use standard rooftop tent hardware from BillieBars. So let's go ahead and start the install. Hey, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell to be notified when we got new content available. Hey, let's go ahead and get started. Hey YouTube, this is Robert from Sherburne Outdoors. Hey, we're getting ready to mount the rooftop tent here to our BillieBars system that we have built into the 2021 Jeep Gladiator Mojave. And one thing I noticed with this hardware is it's significantly thicker than you would have on crossbars or anything else I had used. And when we look at the hardware and we actually put it, it has very little that actually comes underneath of here. So I looked at a couple different ways, and BillieBars had two different options. Otherwise I could have bought a bunch of longer screws, but then the brackets that actually usually come with your rooftop tent to go underneath the crossbars, they weren't long enough either. So BillieBars does make a longer one you can put underneath there with a little bit longer screws, but they also make this. It's about 55 bucks for 4 of these. It is a custom adapter, and if you look, we just put it right underneath the BillieBars. It fits perfectly and allows you to use your stock hardware from your rooftop tent. Goes right in there like so, and the slider. So with that said, let's go ahead put this on time lapse. Let me get the rooftop tent loaded up on here. You can see how I kind of do it with my Garage Smart system and everything, how it drops right in. I do this all with one person. And then we'll go ahead and mount this hardware up, and then we'll go camping. See you in a few. Okay, now that we've got the rooftop tent loaded onto the BillieBars crossbars, we can go ahead and install the adapters for the rooftop tent so that it can screw into the crossbars. I'm just using the standard ones that it came from. They actually slide right in. Let me go ahead and put this on time warp a little bit, and we'll go ahead and get that all set up. Alright, how these fit in is they just kind of go up in here and they fit on the tongs like so, and they latch right in, and then there's a bolt with a washer and a Loctite on it. Let's just kind of put it on time warp again, wrap through this, and you can kind of see how the end product looks like. Very simple, very cheap, again about 55 bucks on BillieBars.com. Let's jump into it. Alright YouTube, if you look down in there, you can really see how well this looks. You can see it's nice and tight. The bar goes around it, and it's just super sweet. Real happy with how this is going. And the thing is just so secure under here. Let's go ahead and finish all of them up. Alright YouTube, I got all of this secured up and all of the anchor points, and God, it looks so good under there. These products from BillieBars are really, really good. So this is my Overland Vehicles Nomadic 2, a 2-person rooftop tent. You see I got a lot of gap here in these BillieBars for this thing being up. So I might add some more BillieBar products like an awning holder. And hey, next up we're actually going camping with this thing. So hey, I did get a lot of questions on BillieBars and how things attach to it and stuff, so that's why I decided to create this video. Hey, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell to be notified when new content is available. Everybody have a great day, and thanks again for watching.